So just did 54 miles on my Goldwing show bike. I love this bike. I'm afraid it may be time to move on. Complete with LED lighting, and these lights right here blink when you hit the brake. Very safe. All original, no leaks. The only thing that is not original is the Superbike exhaust. It has a name on the ad. They were tuned to the 4 carburetors that run this thing. Basically makes it a performance bike, but it is a heavy beast. Everything will be in the ad, but this is what it looks like. And I didn't even wipe it down. LED lighting up front as well. Very safe bike. But I've got too many, and I'm going to have to start thinning the herd. I do have the top case for this as well, so you can ride 2 up. Again, no leaks. Everything's been done. You can read the ad for more, or contact me.